Ka Voice of the People Party ne ka singi ka lapin shai ba ka State Election Committee ka dei ka bor ba Khatduh kat kum ka riti penya jong ka seng ban Shim rai Halor ka Jingai Tiket na ka benta ka election ke election KHADC ba JHADC unong ai kitin ka VPP uba bat ke merbo ulaong ba kinu ki khot jong ka seng lakmi lenti bakin ko ngo e ki rai jong ka election committee Halor ka Jingai Tiket Utay unong akitin ka VPP ulapan pau Halor ka jengkerpat da UMLE ka North Shillong uba Adelbert nongrom ba day pan pen no ya ka jengle siliang khmat ha ka party ha ka bay day ka jeng ai ticket jong ka party
state very frankly that I don't have anything personal against Adelbert Nongrum. He is an honorable MLA of our own party from North Shillong, or in any organization, including our party, we have to accept the constitution because the constitution is made by the party members themselves. And therefore, any member who wishes to join or any person who wishes to join the party, and especially those who wish to apply for tickets, whether MBC, MLA or MP, whether at present or in the future, I would like to request them to read the constitution of the party properly before you join or before you you offer oneself as a party candidate.